everyone, my name is Sabrina Melodieuse. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we have very unexpected happy mail. Yes, we do. I really was not expecting that. And I have two packages. Look at that. So I think we should do it now. Yes, let's do it. Happy mail, happy mail, happy, happy, happy mail. Happy mail, yeah. Truly is happy mail. And this is from the wonderful Terry. Hi, Terry. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I honestly was not expecting that. That just came as a shock a little short while ago where the postman came and he said, "You've got some more packages." And I was like, really? I'm not really expecting anything. And wow, when I discovered it's from Terry, not one, but two packages. This is just amazing. Thank you so much. So I just came back from my grocery shopping. So I will go and take that off and I'll be back to open the wonderful happy mail. So I will see you all in a minute. Okay, I am back and I'm sorry, my hair is ridiculous today. And that's because I was wearing a hat. So it's doing whatever it wants to do. But I am back with my beautiful packages. Thank you so much, Terry. I am just completely overwhelmed. That was just so completely unexpected. And to say that I am just, wow, I just don't know how to express that. Thank you, thank you. I'm excited to see what's in here. So, and let's open it up, shall we? I am ready with my wonderful scissors. And I am just, yeah, I'm excited to open. So let's do it. And it's time to open the packages. So I'm opening the first pack of two. Thank you again so much, Terry. This is amazing surprise. Absolutely amazing. And I can't wait to see what's in here. I'm being very careful when opening the package with the scissors because I don't want to cut anything that should not be cut, right? Okay. And the first pack is open. So I'm just checking to see if there's a note. No, I don't think there's a note in this one. Oh, the yarn is amazing. I don't think I know that at all. It's just beautiful. Okay, let's find out what yarn it is, shall we? And it feels beautiful and it is beautiful. Thank you so much, Terry. This is called Shenate yarn and it's by Wilco. This is a UK-based store and I've been meaning to go in there to buy yarn before, but the last time I went, the yarn section had gone. I don't know why that is. Unless they moved it and I couldn't find it, but I couldn't see it. And I did look everywhere, downstairs and upstairs. I just couldn't see any. So thank you, Terry. And this is beautiful. So let us see if there's any detail. I think it's time to put my glasses on. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay. Is there a colorway or anything like that? It's 100 grams, 286 meters, 100% acrylic. And let's see. What do they recommend for that? I think it is, what is that? Okay, so I think it is like a 4-ply in the UK. It is thinner than a DK. And oh, this is amazing. So, oh, color. Is there one? It doesn't, oh yeah, it says purple mix. There we are, I found it. It is absolutely stunning. So I will show it to you now. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Wilco. Let's create Shenet yarn. It is stunning. Yes. Oh, I love that so much. Thank you, Terry. And there's more. So let's find out what else is in that beautiful pack. There is another one. And the beautiful color. Oh my geez. Wow. This is like an array of sunshine and a burst of beautiful colors like oranges, apples, lemons. I don't know whether we should call it like a fruit sorbet. And the color is red mix. It's, oh, I love it. Wow. Look at this. This is a happy one. This is a truly happy one. Yes. Look at the colors. Where's the camera? There, look at the beautiful colors. Now that is stunning, right? Wow, thank you. And there's more. So let's see. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have some more Wilco, and it's double knit. The first one is the color of aqua, and it is beautiful aqua, and it feels really lovely too. It's very soft, isn't it? And what is it made of? 100% acrylic. I mean, it just is really stunning, right? Absolutely beautiful. And there's another one of the same Wilco DK, and the color is just divine. Can you guess what color it is? Yes, it is red. My favorite color. Thank you, Terry. It is just beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, yes, look. Oh. I'm just always happy when it's red. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's red, oh, I love it so much. But honestly, this feels beautiful. This I would love to wear. You know, right on my skin here, like a scarf or it's something. It's just gorgeous. And even the two colors together, I think could work. Could it work? It's just beautiful. And there is another one of, oh my geez, that is so soft. I mean, I know I keep saying everything is soft, but that is incredibly soft. And it is Wilco Baby Soft Yarn. Ooh, I wonder if I should use that for a baby item. Oh, yes. And the color is white and has 50 grams. That is seriously soft. Look. Baby soft yarn, 50 grams. Thank you so much, Terry. Oh, I love that. Oh. Yeah, I think that would be a lovely, maybe a hat for the baby. Yes, I think so. That would be amazing. Okay, and now we have the second pack. So let's open it up. And I am opening the second pack and I'm super excited once again. I mean, really, thank you, Terry. Thank you so much. You are beyond generous. It's incredible. Thank you. I'm excited to find out. You always send such beautiful yarns. You really do. Beautiful and it's interesting yarns. That is just amazing. Wow. Yeah, I love those. Okay, the other pack is open and oh wow, there's more of that. There is more of that. Thank you, Terry. Thank you, thank you. So here it is. Oh wow. Oh, yay! Thank you. I'm so happy, so happy. I absolutely love it. Now I have two of this one. I have two. Yes. Okay, the other one is oh another one, which means I have another one of this. Oh, this is really like a burst of sunshine and fruits. Yes, sunshine and fruit medley. I think this is what we really should call that, or something like that. Beautiful. Okay, and now we have more yarn. So let's open up. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is fantastic. Thank you so much, Terry. We have some more of the other yarns, which is beautiful. Thank you so much. So now I have also two of those. Thank you. It really feels beautiful. And two of those. Oh, thank you, thank you. I mean, look at that mountain. It's a beautiful mountain of beautiful yarns. Yes? And oh wow, and now I'm wondering, maybe I can make a cardigan for the baby with this. Oh, that is just the softest thing that I've touched in a while. I mean, this is seriously soft. What is it made of? Because this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. It says it's made in Turkey, of course. All the yarns, or more or less, are made in Turkey. They are just amazing over there, right? And I don't know. What does it say? I can't see. Oh, it does say it is 100% acrylic. I'm just blind. Even with my glasses, I'm completely blind. I'm sorry. But yeah, wow. This is an amazing yarn. And I really think this will be something amazing for the baby. So thank you, Terry. Thank you so much. I mean, everything is just perfect. I absolutely love it all. This is beautiful Wilco yarns, and I'm very eager to try them all. And I mean, wow, those two are just beyond amazing, right? Beyond amazing. Yes, you do know your yarns, and such a fun and exciting yarns that you always send. So, and I'm currently working on a scarf with the yarn that you sent before, Terry, the, what's it called? Red Heart. It's a wrap. So I think that will be finished very soon. So I'm excited to show it to you. Anyway, so that is it. This is my fantastic happy mail from Terry. Thank you so much, Terry. I just absolutely love it all. You are just such an amazing person. And I just can't thank you enough. Thank you so much. Thank you. And yeah, that's it. I think I will stop here because my son will be home shortly. So, thank you everyone for watching, and until the next time, happy knitting and crochet, everyone. Oh, it's still carrying on.